All right, guys, this is Jim with Jim and Val's Travel Channel. Today I'm going to share with you a little tidbit that I think is probably kind of important for you all to know about if you have a Kingstar camper with a Tern Overland Door. So if you don't have a Tern Overland Door, this probably not going to apply to you, but if you do, this is probably one of the most important things you need to learn about your new camper and a Tern Overland Door. So let's get into it. So we've got this interior door. It's got the 3 latches on it, and you can take this other door over here and hook it, and then you got a nice screen door, and it'll keep all the bugs and bears and lions and tigers and people that don't belong in there. And you can lock that, but you still got your screen door. But there's a problem that you need to be aware of. When you go to close your door and use this exterior door here, I want you to look at this opening right here. And you'll notice the door handle goes all the way through so it can swing, which is great. But when you put these two together, if you are, and let's just say you're in a hurry and you don't squeeze them all together and get them latched together, then what can happen is, and you're going to do this from the inside now, so you think your doors are connected together, but they aren't. Now that door goes like this door will be kind of like that, and then you'll lock your door. Now in the morning you go to get out, and I want you to look at where this door just naturally stops, right here. And at this point, this handle cannot move back and forth. It's stuck right inside here, and this handle, to unlock or open your door, and I do mean even to unlock it, this handle needs to be able to move. If it's sitting right here, it gets stuck right in this pass-through here, and the handle cannot move. You are going to be locked inside your camper, and you can't get out until somebody comes and rescues you. And all they got to do is just, the door is just, it's just naturally hangs. Right now I'm a little downhill, so it's not going to do it. But if you're level, it'll be even right there. If you were locked inside, you could not get out. So now I'm going to tell you another little way to get around this, just in case this happens to you. But the big thing here is make sure that your doors are completely latched together. But if somebody needs to rescue you and you can get hold of them through the window or whatever, you can, all they got to do is pull the door back this way, and then you're free to unlock your door from the inside and you're fine. So that's just a little tip. Now I will tell you there's one other thing you can do. So let's just say this door is sitting here, and I'm going to kind of hold it in place, but let's just say it's sitting there and you're out by yourself, and maybe you and your spouse or whatever's in the camper and you can't get out. Okay, there's another way to do this. If you know Reyes and Deidre, they actually were the first people I knew that had this issue, and how they resolved this issue is they came out here as close to the door as they could. Of course, they're on the inside of the camper, and they jumped up and down, and they jumped up and down enough that they could get the door to finally swing open just far enough to clear the opening in the door, and then they could open it. But you don't really want to do that because that may not work. So, word of advice, make sure before you close up your doors at night that these guys are truly connected together so you don't get locked inside. All right, guys, so that's your Kingstar tidbit for the day. Make sure that those 2 doors are latched together before you lock yourself inside. That's all I got for you now. Thanks for watching, and we'll probably make some more Kingstar videos.